They told you to avoid sugar, but what if I told you these 7 shocking foods can actually lower your blood sugar fast? And no, it's not just bitter melon or cinnamon. Wait till you hear number 7. It's something almost everyone has in their kitchen right now. Let's go. Number 1. Avocados. Creamy, delicious, and a blood sugar stabilizer. Avocados are loaded with healthy fats and fiber. They slow down sugar absorption and help avoid spikes. Perfect for breakfast or added to a salad. Number 2, apple cider vinegar. It tastes intense, but just 1 tablespoon before meals can help reduce your blood sugar response. Studies show it improves insulin sensitivity, especially after carb-heavy meals. Number 3, chia seeds. These tiny powerhouses expand in your stomach and slow digestion. They stabilize blood sugar and help reduce hunger. Sprinkle them in your smoothies, oatmeal, or yogurt. Number 4, okra, called nature's insulin by some. Okra contains compounds that help block sugar absorption in the gut. Boil it, roast it, or even soak it in water overnight. Number 5, berries. Unlike most fruits, berries are low in sugar and high in fiber. Blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, all great for blood sugar control and antioxidants. Number 6, eggs. High in protein and 0 carbs, eggs are a perfect choice for keeping blood sugar stable. They also make you feel full for hours. Goodbye, sugar cravings. Number 7, popcorn. Yes, really. Shocking, right? Plain air-popped popcorn is low on the glycemic index and packed with fiber. It fills you up without spiking your blood sugar. Just skip the butter and sugar, obviously. Managing blood sugar doesn't have to be boring or tasteless. Important, always talk to your doctor before making changes, especially if you're on medication. Which food surprised you the most?